Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to learn better on a motorcycle. First, enroll in a certified motorcycle safety course to build a strong foundation. These courses teach essential skills and safety practices. Next, find a safe, open space like an empty parking lot to practice. Focus on mastering your motorcycle's basic controls, the throttle, clutch, and brakes. Consistent practice in a low-pressure setting is key to building confidence and muscle memory. Once comfortable with the basics, move on to mastering more advanced maneuvers. Practice slow-speed drills, like figure eights and tight turns, to enhance your balance and fine motor control. Focus on proper cornering techniques, including countersteering, which is crucial for effective turning. Also, dedicate time to practicing emergency braking to ensure you can stop quickly and safely when needed. These skills are vital for confident riding. Beyond physical skills, a strong mental approach is essential for learning to ride better. Always maintain a focused and calm mindset, avoiding distractions. Prioritize safety by consistently wearing appropriate protective gear, including a DOT-approved helmet, gloves, and sturdy boots. Furthermore, thoroughly understand all traffic laws and actively anticipate potential hazards on the road. A prepared mind and proper gear significantly enhance your safety and learning experience. Learning to ride a motorcycle better is an ongoing journey. Regularly challenge yourself by practicing in various riding scenarios, such as different road conditions or light traffic. Consider enrolling in advanced rider training courses to refine your skills and learn new techniques. Additionally, riding with experienced motorcyclists can provide invaluable insights and practical tips. Continuous practice and seeking new learning opportunities will help you become a more skilled and confident rider.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.